Hello! We want to say a massive thank you to all the key workers out there looking after our little ones. We appreciate everything you're doing for us. We couldn't have done any of it without you.
We miss Helen, we miss Timbella.
We miss you, Timbella.
We miss them all so much because they're all so brilliant.
So, dwi'n gweithio adra, dysgu, jyglo'r cyfan. Dwi'n methu gwarchodroed y plant, Sarah Harris. Gweithio, mae'n gwneud job anhygoel.
Sarah, Daddy's messy tea.
It's scenes like this that really make me miss our nursery just so much. The mess at the moment at home is crazy.
Hi all the staff now I'm dropping. Really missing our Wednesday sessions. Hope to see you all soon.
Helen, Dawn, Julie and Nicola. I really miss you and I know that Thomas does.
Thank you, Helen!
Diolch yn fawr I bob gweithio'n chwarae am bopeth. Cadwch yn ddiogel.
I'm missing playing with my friends because I love playing with the Play-Doh every time you put the Play-Doh out. Look my rainbow. Hey Amanda, I miss you.
Thank you for all you do for Hugo, darling birds.
Thank you, Laurel.
Thank you, little arms for my pack. I love it. I'm going to have so much fun.
I miss me. I miss your friend.
Yeah.
Hello Sarah Vath Nursery, I hope you're well. Betsy Saunders misses you and everyone who looks after her.
Diolch yn fawr a dwi'n methu gylch mewn ffryn hefyd.
Thank you to all play workers for everything you do.
Diolch yn fawr iawn.
What do you miss about nursery?
Esther.
Is it sad that we don't go to nursery?
No.
No. You should have said yes. Do you miss nursery?
Yeah.
How much?
£2.
£2. You miss nursery, £2.
I love you, Auntie Erica. Miss you. Hope you're having fun with your children